In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an online course website with WordPress and the Aduma theme. If you're starting from a fresh WordPress install or giving your existing site a new look, this process is quick and beginner-friendly. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard and that you have the Aduma theme zip file ready on your computer. Having a recent backup of your site is always a good idea, especially when changing themes. We'll start right inside the dashboard. Look to the left sidebar and go to Appearance, then Themes. Click Add New and then Upload Theme. Choose the Aduma zip file, click Install Now, and wait for the upload to finish. When WordPress shows the success screen, click Activate. Activation tells WordPress to switch your site to Aduma's layout and styling so your front end picks up the theme's design framework. Right after activation, you'll see a prompt for the ThemeCore installation board. This built-in helper handles everything Aduma needs to run smoothly. Open it and follow the on-screen guidance to install and activate the required plugins. These are the tools that power course creation, lesson management, page building, and other features. Using the board ensures you get compatible versions in a single flow, so you don't have to hunt for anything manually. Let each installer run to 100% and avoid closing the browser while it's working. Once the plugins are in place, the same ThemeCore board will offer demo content. Choose the demo that matches your niche and click to import. Demo content instantly sets up pages, menus, course layouts, and sample blocks so your site looks like the preview you selected. This is the step that transforms your website's design and structure from a blank theme into a ready-to-customize course platform. The import can take several minutes depending on your hosting speed. Be patient and don't refresh the page until it reports completion. When the import finishes, visit the front end to see your new design. From here, you can replace placeholder text and images, update menus and logos, and start adding your own courses using the tools that were just installed. If you ever run into an upload limit or a timeout during installation, try a smaller demo first or check with your host about increasing upload limits, then return to the ThemeCore board to continue. That's it. You installed and activated the Aduma theme, then used ThemeCore to set up required plugins and demo content that shape your online course website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.